The network layer is responsible for delivery, forwarding, and routing of packets. The network layer is responsible for the delivery, forwarding, and routing of IP packets to their final destination. Delivery refers The word delivery refers to the way a packet is handled by the underlying networks under the control of the network layer. And forwarding refers to the way a packet is delivered to the next station from one station to another, the forwarding, or from a host to the next station. Now, routing. The word routing refers to the way routing tables are created to help in forwarding. In this technique, routing tables are created to help forwarding. So this is, we will see the network layer. Now delivery. In delivery there are two parts. First, direct delivery, and second, indirect delivery. Now, in a direct delivery, the final destination of the packet is a host connected to the same physical network as the deliverer. Now let's see. This is one host and this is what network. Host is connected to the network. Now this is what second host, and this is what router, which is connected to the internet. And let's see the delivery from this host, that is called A host to host B, is the direct delivery, because there is nothing in between host A and host B. Now if any packet will come towards this router, and from this router to the destination is host B, okay, again any packet will come from any host, and this will come to this router, and the delivery of the packet from router to over the network to the host B in same network, such delivery is called as direct delivery. Okay, so deliveries are the direct deliveries. The sender can easily determine if the delivery is direct. It can extract the network address of the destination and compare this address with the addresses of the networks to which it is connected. If a match is found, the delivery is direct. Now, let us see indirect delivery. Indirect delivery. If the destination host is not on the same network, if now let us see, first we will draw the example. This is what any host, this is a network, and this is connected to the router. Again this is another network, and this is what another host. Now this is network. We will network host, and this is, now we can say that this is source host and destination host. Destination host. Now in this example, the source host is connected to the another network and the destination host is at other network. Now let us see the definition, how indirect delivery is there. Now if the destination host is not on the same network as the deliverer, the packet is delivered indirectly. In a indirect delivery, the packet goes from the router to router until it reaches to the one connected to the same physical network as its final destination. Now in this, note that a delivery always involves one direct delivery, but 0 or more indirect deliveries. Now let us see, this is, suppose one packet is moving from host to this host. Now we can say that this source host as source host and this host as destination host. The packet is moving towards the network to the router. We can say that network to the router, this is not a destination of the packet, so this delivery is called as indirect delivery. Now from this router to the destination, or we can say that host, the delivery is what? Direct delivery. Understand? Now let us see, this is host. Okay, you have to send the packet from host to another host at destination host. So the packet move towards the host to the router. Okay, here the when packets arrives at router, there is no destination. Okay, so that's why this is called as indirect delivery. Now from next, the packets will move from router to the host. The host is the actual destination host, so that this delivery is called as direct delivery.